Hello, today is September 3rd, 2013. I'm Jeffrey Tennant. I'd like to discuss today's stock market action. Let's first review the last call. Friday was a depressing down day, but the MEJT system said prices would be higher today. There was a target of 1636.13 plus. And I really said I wanted a gap over that price and even over the high of the day. And that worked great. We had what started out as another down day today. But over here, the system said ultimately higher prices would print. And they did. Now it's possible to call higher prices when the market is declining because of something in the system called an ultimate buy signal. When I first wrote the MEJT system and it got reviewed, there was a reviewer who said he didn't like the whole concept because there was no specific time frame for the higher prices to print. Perhaps I could have made it clearer that even though there isn't a specific time frame, it's one of the most highly reliable parts of the whole system, and you don't really have to wait long very often for the targets to be satisfied. There are minimum targets, one of which was satisfied here and what the system identified as a false move. And there are typical targets that you almost always see, which we did see here. If you just cover up all the action over here and the market's dropping from this high, there's really a strong tendency we all have to go short and just go along with the trend. And that's where ultimate signals help. When we are stalling here and there's a signal that ultimately higher prices will print, at the very least, it pays to keep a stop on any short position that one has. Wednesday should be a day which is pretty interesting. I think that the picture is going to be a lot clearer after the open and the first hour of trading. However, there is no unfilled target, and therefore there is no call for tomorrow.